Got a PAM image file and your usual viewer doesn't recognize it? This format extends the Netpbm family with extra capabilities. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and convert portable Anymap graphics. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a PAM file, even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. A file from the Netpbm family of any formats representing a portable bitmap image. Users typically encounter this format when dealing with graphics from academic, scientific, or UNIX-based environments. The primary intent is to view the image or convert it to a more common format like PNG or JPG. The PAM format is a simple, uncompressed raster graphic format. It begins with a plain text ASCII header defining the image's width, height, depth, and max value, followed by the raw binary pixel data. This straightforward design prioritizes simplicity and portability over file size, making it easy to parse. Windows registers the PAM file as an opener for GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program, developed by the GIMP development team. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows can preview many raster images, but detailed edits require dedicated image software. Your first step towards data access, right-click the PAM file and select Open With. If GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program, is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If you cannot access the PAM file, no problem. The specificity of the PAM format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, viewing in image viewers. Open PAM files in IrfanView, ExinView, or GIMP, which support the Netpbm family of formats. The image displays with all channels visible, including alpha transparency when present. Most modern image viewers handle PAM files directly without requiring format conversion or specialized utilities. Next, converting with Netpbm tools. Use Netpbm command line tools to convert PAM files to other formats. Run PAM top-nm to extract base image data, or use PAM-to-TIFF or similar tools for conversion to TIFF, JPEG, or PNG. The Netpbm package provides comprehensive tools for processing PAM and related Anymap formats. Finally, editing in image editors. Edit PAM files in GIMP or Photoshop with appropriate plugins for Netpbm format support. Make modifications and save back to PAM or to standard formats like PNG for broader compatibility. The flexible tuple structure of PAM accommodates specialized image data beyond standard RGB images during editing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.